and like any toy or new bit of kit, I can't stop looking at this thing. And the problem with that is that the list of things that needs doing just becomes a little bit endless, and sometimes I find it quite overwhelming that there's just so much to do in so many different areas on this car. Today I would love to attack the roof, as I have a new product, a roof cleaning product. However, upon reading this product and how to use it, you really shouldn't use it in direct sunlight. The sun in Wales is fighting to come out. There's a bit of blue sky, but all in all, I would like to attack this roof because the mould on it is quite considerable. So as you can see, it needs a good scrub, and I'm hoping that cleaner does the job. Whatever we're doing today, we're going to start off with a jet wash, so it's time to get that out. Just given the Porsche a light clean. Normally I would snow foam it, scrub it down and go deep. However, I think I've got a little bit of time before the sun burns through these clouds to attack this roof. So that's what I'm going to do. Apparently you need to brush this liquid on, let it soak in for 15 minutes, then scrub, and then wash it off. So I'm going to give that a good go, and fingers crossed I get it done before 15 minutes is up, before the sun burns through. So now I just wait for this to soak in before I scrub it. 15 minutes I have to wait. And what you may have realised as well is that I took the roof down and I manually put the roof lining back into position whilst it closed. One of you fine gentlemen by the name of Jonathan, thank you very much for your comment last week, told me how to fix this problem where the roof liner was coming over the top of this, and as you can see it's been like it for quite a while, as there's a line that shows where the roof lining is when it naturally closes. So I've got to go get some elastic and fix that, but I'll keep that for another video. But for the purpose of cleaning the roof, I wanted to make sure that that was all tucked in nicely. And you can see these spots. Hopefully that liquid is doing its thing before I get scrubbing. It's now time to scrub. I think we need more liquid. It's getting a bit dry. Okay, so I have scrubbed and given it a bit of elbow grease, and you can actually see where I've been scrubbing, the green is starting to come off, which is nice, but I'm not so sure I beat that sun. I think it might be a little bit too dry. So I'm now going to wash it off. So let's wait and see. Fingers crossed, come on. So that is done. I didn't want to get the camera wet, so I couldn't bring it too close when I was jet washing it off, but the water was definitely green coming off the roof, so it definitely did something. Looking at it, I think it looks a little better. Obviously the real test will be when it dries out. There's still some kind of spots I can see where maybe it didn't work as well as I'd hoped, but it does look better. Maybe it's just one of those things that's going to take a few attempts, keep cleaning it, and it will keep improving. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with that result. So, thanks for watching.